Hello everyone, this is Pooja Training from Ryan AI Teachers Training Level 2. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am giving a review on a very famous TED Talk that is Let's Use Video to Reinvent Education, and this talk was presented by Sal Khan. So, first of all, I would like to give a short intro of this personality. Sal Khan is an educator, entrepreneur, and the founder of Khan Academy, a free online learning platform that provides educational videos and resources to students around the world. His mission is to make quality education accessible to everyone and everywhere. So, this was about the short intro of Solcon. Let's move towards review. So, in this TED Talk, Selcom explained how educational videos can transform the way students learn. He also shared the story of how he started making simple online videos to help his cousins, his friends, and his relatives with their studies. Surprisingly, many other students also found these videos useful, and this eventually led him to the creation of Khan Academy that was created by Sal Khan. He also believed that traditional classroom often move at the same pace for all students, even though every student learns differently. Some students also understand concept quickly while others may need more time and practice because all students are not equal, like all our fingers are not equals, like all are the child of one parent are not equal. So like this all students are not also equal. So he said that some students understand concept quickly while others may need more time and practice. He also explained that videos lessons allow students to learn at their own pace because video lesson is entertaining for the student as compared to the normal lectures. So he said that they can pause, rewind, replay, and review lessons whenever they need if they will watch video lesson. This gave students more control over their learning and also helped them to better understand difficult topics. Another important idea he discussed in this talk is the flipped classroom model. In this approach, students watch lesson at home through videos and then spend classroom time solving problems, asking questions to their students and their teachers, and also interacting with them. This also allows teachers to focus more on helping students individually rather than spending all the class time to give lectures to their students. Saul Khan also talks about mastery learning. He believes students should fully understand one topic before moving on to the next topic because the one concept will be clear to the student, then he can easily move to the another topic. He also noticed that in many our traditional school system, a student move ahead even when they have gap in their understanding, which can create difficulties and issues later. This talk highlight that how technology can make education more personalized. Teachers can also track student progress, identify areas where students need help, where they are facing issues, and provide them targeted support accordingly. This creates a more effective learning environment. So, from this talk, the key lesson I noticed are the following: that every student can learn at a different pace. As we have told earlier, that all students are not equal. Some may have a strong PowerPoint and some may be weak. So every student learn at a different pace, depends on their capability. Secondly, I noticed that video lessons are more entertaining and interesting rather than lectures that can be boring. So video lesson allow flexible and self-paced learning. Thirdly, I noticed that technology is a powerful element, we can say, of our education that can improve our education if is used correctly, because everything has also some drawbacks, but it's all depend on a person how he or she use it. Either they take benefit of it or either they misuse it. So when it will be used correctly, definitely technology can improve education. Thirdly, and the last thing I noticed from this talk is that a student should master concept before moving forward, because the one thing, if a student have facing challenges or not clear to them, then they cannot move forward. So a student must clear their first concept before moving forward. I also found that this TED Talk is very, very informative and inspiring. I really like the ideas that student can learn anytime and anywhere using educational videos. The concept of mastery learning is especially valuable because it focuses on understanding rather than memorization. I also believe that online learning platforms like Khan Academy have helped millions of students to gain access to quality education, especially those who may have not access to expensive education resources. So this was all about from my side about this talk. I hope you all enjoy this session and get much more knowledge from here. Inshallah, we'll meet you in another session. Till then, Allah Hafiz.